have friends, now I got enemies. Used to keep them close, now they dead to me. Used to have friends, now I got enemies. Enemies, yeah, so sad. Fix it, I would never get this far. Think that we don't see who you are. Laughing to the bank like ha ha ha. Fix it, I'm just talking too much blah blah blah. So where did y'all go when I was shit?
Good morning, guys. So we are getting closer and closer to paint. So today I'm gonna work on the body kit for Blaine's car because there is a couple of places that I know have cracks on them. So I'm gonna just start fixing those up, and then after that's done we can just put some white primer on it. And then I think the only things that are left to do is the fender and the hood. So hopefully we can get the kit done today.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart.
So we just got finished with the bumpers. We're gonna go ahead and sand them, set them outside. We're gonna head and lay some primer up on there real quick, clean up everything, and then we're gonna go ahead and head to San Francisco for the Cherry Blossom Festival, and we're gonna bring you guys with us, all right? So let's go ahead and lay some primer real quickly so we can head out.
You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby, got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a, you already know, dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side, text you but I know you probably cross-eyed, know I gotta come and check the old man, baby, hold tight, I just touched the city with the cheap block stains, and we got adopted by some fit for strangers, you know what it means when I twist these fingers, me and you being on a first name basis, why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit, same reason that you never left me hanging, same reason that I tried to make you famous, same reason that I tried to show you just who I was, outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you just, outside of the club, show you just who I was, outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you just, outside of the club. Oh, yo, shit, let's go have some fun. Enjoy the show.
Good. So right now we're in San Francisco. We're going to a Japanese cherry blossom festival. We haven't been here before, so we just found parking. We have about an hour or two before the festival actually closes.
It took so long to find parking, guys.
It did. It took forever. But we found a super good parking. It was right across the street, so we didn't really have to walk far to get in here. So we're gonna walk around and see what they got. But it's so pretty. So this is one of the stations. I guess you make a paper airplane and then you try to get it inside one of those holes over there. I want to try.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you. You want to do it?
Let's try it.
You guys will do it.
Okay. Oh, there's different airplanes? Oh, they have so many different ones. You want this one? Okay, you do that one and then I'll try this one. This is the advanced airplane.
Advanced, and Kaylee did the intermediate. Okay, go throw it in there.
Okay, let's see it.
Go. Oh, good job.
Try the 100.
You think so?
Ready?
Oh! You guys are awesome.
Wow.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, you guys both did it. Good job.
Did it. We can now add airplane builder to the list.
No, airplane pilot.
Airplane pilot.
And add airplane pilot to the list.
Are you gonna take your phone?
This place is so fast. So much people. Now we got here like at the end.
But there's even another lane here. There's so much to see.
Look.
Yeah, let's go look.
And the umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella.
Can I get 3, please? 3. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. When you like the pancake?
Oh, okay.
These are good. They even have the Japanese claw games in here. They got matcha. We got matcha soft serve, and then we got the takoyaki. Oh no, not takoyaki, taiyaki with the black sesame, and then the matcha I think is on the bottom. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for coming along with us. If you guys want us to post more lifestyle stuff like this, let us know, because most of our videos are pretty much in this garage right here. But we would like to show you guys, I guess, what we do when we're not working on the car. So if you guys enjoy this, please let us know, because we would love to put this kind of videos out on the channel if you guys are willing to watch it. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate you guys. Head to carshopbloom.com if you guys want to grab some merch. This design is one of my favorites, and we have a whole bunch of other designs up on there right now. Everything is free shipping within the United States, so if you guys want to go ahead and purchase, we really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and stay good.